there, dream cheers. It's time to take you on a wild way tour of my journey. একজন কলেজ স্টুডেন্ট থেকে a full-time video editor, a part-time freelancer and a passionate content creator.
It's all begin from my room while I am a college student, where I made a choice for me, a choice to chase passion over convention, to reject the expected and embrace the unknown.
আমি আমার কলেজ প্লেসমেন্টের নানা প্রেস্টিজিয়াস জব অফার রিজেক্ট করেছিলাম and choosing the path less traveled. Why?
Just because my heart beat dream to the video editing, not to the corporate drama. From the first year of my college, I turned my passion into profit. My room became a studio, my laptop is my creative partner. Fast forward and now here I am. A full-time video editor capturing stories that resonate. But that's not all. I wear multiple hats. What exactly? Not like that one. A freelancer working with my team and a content creator weaving deities beyond my editing room. Every like, comment, share become a milestone for me. It's not a journey. It's a community. It's a family that believes in the power of storytelling. To every dreamer out there, embrace your journey. Follow your passion, reject the expected, and create a story that's uniquely yours. Cheers to the dreamers, creator, and the believers. Here's to writing your own chapters in the book of life. Okay, so year of 2023, I learned many of skills that's helped me to improve myself, improve my skills. Also, it turns the way of my life, turns the purpose of my life. If I can do, then why not you? Just upgrade yourself, just learn some skills. Okay, so bye bye to 2023, and from the next year, try to become the best version of yourself. Just follow your passion and work on it. I will see you in the next video. Peace.